Hi Tooligans, welcome back to the channel. I'm just going to go through how I made my little socket attachments for my Crescent pass-through wrench. I just cut apart the box it came in just to make it fit my PB bag. It's a bit easier for carrying around. Almost 1,000 subscribers now. Thanks very much to all my existing subscribers and hello to my new ones. Keep the comments coming guys and keep supporting the channel. Just show you what I'm going to do now. So what I've done guys, I dismantled this. I was left with these two sides. I used the multi-tool just to zip that out. And all I'm going to do, just gently rub that down. I was going to just chuck it on the machine we got upstairs, but I was thinking for a couple of minutes work, just to smooth that edges down. Because as you can see, they're not too rough. Multi-tool chomped through it. So I just got the file, just rubbing that down. I've also got some side cutters just to nip off some of the edges of plastic. Just tidying it up a bit. So I looked through Amazon, eBay, and I couldn't find one of the pass-through socket holders, so I thought I'd just make use with this. I suppose what I could do is fix them back to back, but then that limits what I can use them on as well. Put them back in shot, sorry. And just give them a nice wipe down later. That's just got all the jagged edges off. Just keep going on this, just keeping it nice and smooth. That can go in the bin then. Also, I'm just going to take off these pointy bits there. So I'll just nip them off. I think these are pretty much ready to clean up now. There you go, that's nice and smooth now. You're not going to catch your hands on them. So what I'll do now, just give it a quick clean up. Get rid of all that dust off them. And there you are. Just a bit better. I will take all the sockets out individually, give them a wipe over, and then I'll show you what they look like in a moment. So I'll just give these a quick blast with the air duster. Give them a wipe down. There you go. It's not amazing by no means, it just give them a blast with the air duster. So now I'm going to pop these into here. Little job done. Only takes a couple of minutes. Obviously I just filmed this just to give you an idea. You can do it any way you want to. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope you all have a good day and keep tooliganing along. Cheers, guys.